Do you think you chose to click this video? Or was it the algorithm that knew you were too weak to resist? In the next 163 seconds, I will prove to you that your ability to focus has been stolen. And the terrifying part? You are currently paying to be a prisoner. While you were chasing cheap dopamine, they were building your replacement. Can you feel the fog in your mind? That's not tiredness. That's your identity being deleted. Subject 1. The attention harvest. In 2026, if you can't sit in a dark room for 10 minutes without reaching for your phone, you are already obsolete. They don't need chains to hold you. They have short-form content. Every scroll is a chemical handcuff designed to keep you submissive and broke. Your focus is being farmed like livestock. Do you actually believe you are a producer? You are just data waiting to be sold. Subject 2. The elite minority. The gap between the leaders and the scroll slaves is no longer money. It's focus. If you can't control your eyes, you can't control your destiny. While the masses are trapped in the digital matrix, the 0.1% are building empires in total silence. Are you a master of your mind or a slave to the notification? The timer is running out, and your value is evaporating. I have the protocol to reclaim your brain. I have the exact steps to turn your mind into a weapon. But look at you. You're already thinking about the next video, aren't you? Your brain is too broken to handle the solution. So, I will keep the key for the ones who are truly unfiltered. The door is open. Will you stay in the dark? Or will you wake up?